Hello, my friends. Well, I'm trying something completely different for me anyway. I did not use my scale to measure my paints, and I'm using just water as a medium. I did add a splash of Liquitex Pouring Medium, just a tiny squirt in each color. And then I added water till I felt I had a good consistency. Not certain of this deep violet. Well, that feels pretty close to the rest of them, but Fine Touch Deep Violet, Artist Loft Gold, Artist Loft White, which I've mixed half and half with Satin Enamel, hoping to get a cloud look here, and Phthalo Green. I'm not sure I have enough paint there for the whole canvas, so I had some white on hand that I already mixed with a glue floetrol water mix, so I'm just going to pour that in a puddle and pour into that. So I don't know. This is quite an experiment, combining mediums, actually. Base coat and has medium, and the colors have very little. So who knows? Move that around a little bit. I see something there I'd like to get rid of. There we go. A little clump. Those are just bubbles, I think so. Okay. Oh, I should have filled the cup first. Oh well. So here we go. This white can take over, so I'm only going to add it twice. This is just white. There's no satin enamel in what I poured on the canvas there. Scrape all that out, and no point in wasting it. And a bit of white. And the rest of the green. Okay. And here we go. I'm gonna pour it out the instead of the opposite of the messy end, I'm gonna pour on the side there, because it's kind of stripy at this point. So let's see. Oh, those colors are pretty right now. I rarely put down a base coat, but I just could see that this was not enough paint. So that's why I did that. Okay. Hit it with the some heat. Okay, here we go. I love when phthalo green mixes with white. It's so pretty. Well, I'm not getting that huge, well, no, it's come, I guess it's happening, the little cloud thing that I expected. I don't like big, giant, puffy ones, so maybe I should be happy with what I'm seeing here. There's a chunk of something. And my tweezers have disappeared. Okay. Well, let's see. Somebody's tired. This looks funny. That's white paint, but I've got to get rid of that. It's a lot of purple. See if we can't kind of condense it a little bit. And I don't want that purple right in the center there. Got to move it off center. Now I like this corner. Looks like malachite to me. What can I do? I think I'll move it down. Let me size it up. I like this area. I think that's pretty. I like that. I don't mind that. This is probably my least favorite area, and I want to get this out of the center, so I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah, I think I'll just bring it down. I keep going back, but I just don't want that much purple. Slide part of that big swath off. Yeah, there's no getting around it. Okay, well, it's fun to turn around different orientations, but I'll tell you, I almost always end up with it, liking it best the way I'm looking at it as I sit here. And so this is the bottom. Let me turn it around and look some more. So the way you're seeing it now is how I probably prefer the orientation. Yeah, I think I'll turn it towards you. I think like that. And I'm going to pause. It might change a little bit as it sits because of that satin enamel. So I'm going to return and then I'll take you in for a closer look. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I think it's changed some. I'll have to look at the video myself to really determine how much, but let me turn this light off and bring you in for a closer look. I like the way those cloudy cells, I guess, have a violet tint to them, and the way the green is coming through. That's pretty. I very much like this corner down here. Looks like malachite to me. And this area where the green is coming through the deep violet, that's fun. Lost a lot of the gold, but maybe as it dries it will make more of an appearance in some areas. Anyway, it was fun. I have some more cloud mix left, so I think I'll be trying some more different colors, maybe a different way of pouring it onto the canvas. So let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye-bye.